by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County and southeastern Kentucky, Owsley County and southeastern Kentucky, western Breathitt County and southeastern Kentucky, southeastern Lee County and southeastern Kentucky until 12:30 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eversole, or near Boonville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Boonville, Buckhorn, Crockettsville, Quicksand, Taft, Lee Rose, Buckhorn Lake State Park, St. Helens, Lost Creek, Krypton, Canoe, Copeland, Dan Creek, Howard Creek, Valjean, Eden, Wick, and Oakdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Kentucky: Breathitt, Lee, Owsley, and Perry. Here's a look at Kentucky.